Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a second Gmail account in just a few simple steps. First, open Gmail and go to the top right corner. Click on your profile icon. Now scroll down and click Add another account. If you see the option, Show more accounts, click that first, then choose Add another account. On the sign-in page, instead of logging in, click Create account in the bottom left corner. Here, you can choose if it's for personal use or for work/business. I'll select personal use. Next, enter your first and last name, then click Next. Fill in your basic information, such as your birthday and gender. Now, choose your Gmail address. You can either select one of the suggested options or create your own custom email. Click Next. If it's available, you can use it. After that, create a strong password, then follow the steps to verify your phone number. Once that's done, your new Gmail account is ready to use. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.